Morning, everybody. Good morning, Your Excellency, ministers, the press, and all the VIP guests. I have no words. I have no words because we've been working on this project for over 4 months. And I had a speech prepared, but it's long gone because it was taken over by the excitement. The plane looks amazing, and the trophy is even more amazing when you can see her from close by. We've been uh, working on this project, as I said before, for over 4 months, and the outcome is really amazing. We've inspired the whole community of Aruba to join us to seek the opportunity to win a ticket to make a picture with the trophy. We only had, according to Mike, I'm looking for Mike, we only had 2,000 people that could take the picture during this day because it all goes on a queue. You only have 7 seconds to take the picture next to the trophy. In order to get these 2,000 people, we made a lot of um, competitions so people could really do a big effort to win this opportunity.
As the president of the AVB and on behalf of all club members and all football players and fans, I want to welcome the FIFA World Cup to Aruba. It is for the first time the World Cup visits our island. We all have to be very proud and honored to have the opportunity to stand next to the World Trophy, even before the players who will holding the cup as the next champions of the world. Before they has the chance to show it to the world, we stay next to the cup today. And that's, I'm very, very honored to that.